One of my favorite methods of printing in Snow Leopard is not actually printing to a printer at all. Instead, I often print to a PDF file. Now, a PDF file is a portable document format that is useful for saving a file in a method that can be read by multiple people, and it can also be transported different ways. So for instance, I've opened Safari and I'm at the default home page that I've chosen. It can really be set to whatever page you want. And maybe I want to be able to read this web page when I'm traveling, or maybe I want to review a document when I don't have internet access. A PDF file is a perfect choice. So let's take a look at how easy it is. I'm going to go to the File menu and I'm going to choose Print. Now once again, you can choose any settings in here if you're going to an actual printer. But if I'm printing to a PDF file, I simply come down here to the PDF icon in the lower left corner. I click on it once and I can choose Save as PDF. Now there's a bunch of other choices in here as well. I mean, I can mail this as a PDF, so if I'm looking at a website and I want to share it with a friend real easily, I can simply mail this whole thing as a PDF file. For now, I'm going to go ahead and save this as a PDF. So I'm going to choose Save as PDF. It asks me some information. What do I want to name the file? So I'll just name this one Apple Start Page. It asks me where I want to put it. I'm going to put this in my Documents folder, and then I can give it a title. Now this information in here is what's called metadata. And this information isn't going to actually appear on the document, but it's going to be embedded in the document itself. So in the subject, I could type something that might be relevant to this page, maybe Apple Start Page. And I can enter a couple keywords if I choose to. I'm going to leave that blank for now. If you're looking at a sensitive document, oftentimes you create a PDF file, like if I'm viewing a Word document, and I'm not sure if the user that I'm sending this file to has Word, or more importantly has the fonts that I've used in the document. If you were to send them a Word file, the document that they opened might not look like it looks like on your computer. So this could be a problem. But if you make it a PDF, you kind of ensure the integrity of the file and verify that what you see is what they're going to see. So if you're looking at sensitive information that you might not want other people to see, you can click the security or a password. So I can require a password just to open the document, or I could require a password to copy text, images, and other content, as well as require a password to print the document. I'm not worried about security here, so I'm just going to click Cancel, and I'm going to go ahead and click the Save button. And in a few seconds, it will be finished printing. I'm going to go ahead and quit Safari. And if I open a new Finder window and go to my documents, you're going to see the Apple Start Page PDF file that I created previously. So if I double click on it, by default it's going to open up in the Preview application. You can see now I'm looking at a PDF file. If I zoom in on this document, you can see that the text stays nice and crisp. It's going to be read easily, and it will also print out real nicely for whoever is viewing this document. And hopefully that helps you to understand how easy it is to create a PDF using Snow Leopard and how useful it can be. Thanks for joining me for this Snow Leopard training. I hope you learned a lot about Apple's latest operating system, Snow Leopard, and I hope these video tutorials have inspired you to want to learn even more. You can find out more about me on the Digital Classroom Books website at www.digitalclassroombooks.com. On behalf of AGI and Total Training, I'm Chad Chilius,